The risk management technologies are aiding to close the financial gap for an inclusive financial outreach within all Tier 4 service providers.
Microfinance institutions are able to comply with regulation by getting access to the financial technology providers who are providing the platforms where they can now automate their processes from manual to automated services and processes to the customers. The microfinance institutions will be able to meet that last mile person in the village if they collaborate with the financial technology providers who have technology, who have platforms.
Given the fintech contributions to deepening financial services, the tightening of the regulations will ensure expansion and accessibility of these services.
Working with the UMRA, with the regulator, to make sure at least this is regulated, so that if you get a loan from one institution, so with the CRB, because we have the CRB now, that you can be able to know this person got a loan from institution A, also has a loan in institution B, so that this issue of multiple borrowing can be minimized.
These microfinance regulatory authority guidelines are fair for digital lending and transparent borrowing.
We make sure that our members operate in a professional way. With this, we have the code of conduct. When you become a member of AMFU, you have to go through an appraisal, and this appraisal you have to be given code of conduct. How are you supposed to operate? Through Loba and Advocacy, we're able to get some funding from the donors, then be able to give free service to our members. And among the services, we give them trainings in governance, because governance is very key. Without good governance, you cannot achieve. We give them capacity building.
Fraud is sustained through secrecy. So when you have a fraudster that has hit one institution A, institution A doesn't share this information, then the fraudster goes to another institution, does exactly the same with impunity. But we believe that we are closing in through information sharing.
This is why more than a dozen circles are meeting in Kampala to determine a new database to establish the credit trend for borrowers. Komagum Rogers and Charity Marion Imnat for UBC.